My name's Harry Halpert. I'm the president of MTC Logistics. MTC Logistics is in the business of cold storage and refrigerated warehousing. We're charged with the responsibility of maintaining the real estate which we own, supplying the manpower that is in the facilities to distribute the product, maintaining the equipment, the refrigeration equipment, as if we were the owner of the goods. In general, we are the logistics department for our customers. Being in Baltimore and distributing up to New York, we don't have as much leeway with our cost structure because we're further from that market. So the control of our costs is very important. We controlled our labor costs after realizing that with a footprint of 14 million cubic feet spread across 5 facilities, that we were inefficient in our use of labor. So essentially, we moved our labor force from 2 facilities into 1 facility, had a newer facility that is more efficiently operated due to the material handling equipment we were able to install in the facility, and were therefore able to rationalize the amount of manpower needed. Historically, we've been very good at controlling our per unit energy costs. Back in 1996, we updated 2 of our facilities to what was then present refrigeration technology, incorporating computer controls. So by the time we upgraded our facilities in 1996, we were accustomed to using those computer controlled technologies. Using those technologies enabled us to control our power, taking into account how we were being charged by the regulated utility, which was essentially managing our demand, first and foremost, and then secondarily managing our power consumption during the 3 intervals that we were charged. Well, deregulation changed that strategy tremendously. What ICETEC brought to the table originally was the ability for us to control what was happening in the operation better, behind the meter. We had learned in the 2 years of diligence that we did with them how flat our load was. We also had learned that as the price of energy at that time was much less expensive in off-peak hours in a deregulated market than in on-peak hours. Understanding that and understanding the algorithms as well as the business rules that we needed enabled us to control the power behind the meter better. As ICETEC has evolved into a new business of helping its customers procure energy, they now allow us to get ahead of the meter. And by that, what I mean is we're able to use the information that their computer system sees, information like forward prices, information like weather patterns. They synthesize that data and enable us to make forward purchasing decisions. On the surface, our business is very simple. Our customers require us to keep their products wholesome and deliver to them or their customers the quantity that was asked in sound, wholesome condition. Understanding that, when we decided that we wanted to construct a new facility and close our functionally obsolete facilities, those principles were paramount in our thought process. At the time that we made the decision, we had nearly 8 years under our belt of using the ICETEC control systems. The construction of our newest facility, as well as the closing of the 2 older facilities, increased our cubic footage footprint, while at the same time it decreased our energy footprint by 6 million kilowatt hours annually, or the equivalent of 4,100 metric tons of carbon dioxide. As well, our decision to put the solar panels on our roof was also influenced by our desire to be more sustainable in our usage of energy, because we need energy to keep the product cold. And as a result, it puts us in a position to be more stable as a provider of services, and the likelihood of us needing to have an energy surcharge is going to be greatly reduced relative to our competition. The biggest benefit we receive from our relationship with ICETEC is information, and quality systems that work all the time. The benefit of information and quality systems is that we are able to keep our prices to our customers flat. In the food business, people negotiate on tenths of a penny. Our customers do not like to see volatility. We're able to manage that risk.